So, I'm on mute now because this girl, she's my cousin, okay? And I'm a roaster, okay? So, she basically don't shut up.
Wait, are you nice?
Say, look, she keep talking to herself.
Are you nice? Are you nice? Are you nice?
Okay, there's this app called Roblox, and she always says die, die, die when she's playing a fighting game. Who does that? Look, now,
Hello?
I'm a roast you.
Shut up! Are you nice? Are you nice?
I'm a roast you. I have a YouTube channel.
Yes. Are you nice?
Okay, look at our super character. It looks like a dumb potato. Look at that. Look like a dumb potato. Potato head. She only got 30 friends, and look at mine. Profile. Look, look, look. She gray, and I got 171 friends. I'm popular than her.
I just think this is awkward.
Stupid ass bitch. What the hell? She heard us. She looked like a damn potato. Look at
You
that.
look like a freaking dumb potato. So shut up.
I wasn't talking to you.
No, not you.
Oh, you copied my words in. You copied my words in. This is Mr. Potato Head. Cause I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Because she likes him. So if they get married, that's their name. Look at his friends. Look at all those girls. He got all them girls. Bye, guys. I'll roast in the next episode. Bye.